Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and everyone that has been supporting my channel. I want to say a big thank you to you. If it's your first time stopping by, I'm saying welcome to you and hope you enjoy this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to secure a wig using the elastic band method, and that is exactly what we're doing today. If you're like me and you don't like to put a lot of glue on your wig and you just like to actually look good, this might be the video for you. Just want to learn how to do it, this could be your video too, to just know how to secure a wig using an elastic band. So stick around and enjoy this video.
So take your elastic band and measure it around your head from ear to ear until you have the satisfaction measurements that you want. Take a pair of scissors and cut it to the satisfaction of the measurements you made. And now you're just going to sew it away until it holds onto the wig. And now you're just going to sew the elastic band onto the other side of the wig. And now you're just going to try on the wig. So I'm putting my cap on, and now I'm going to try on the wig. Now once you put on that wig, it is really going to grip onto your head. It will not move unless you want it to move. So I was happy with how it turned out, and I would recommend that you guys try it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For me, it's bye-bye.